Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I had a little extra free time today and I thought this would be a great time to do a tutorial on how to create your own link in bio or link tree using Squarespace. If you have your own website and you're still using something like Milkshake or Linktree, you should stop because that takes traffic away from your website. And if you have your own website, you can easily make your own and do not need to pay for a third-party service. So I will do one of these tutorials on WordPress in the near future, but for now I am just going to share this quick Squarespace one. And if you guys have any questions about how this works or run into any issues, just drop a comment below and I will do my best to answer them. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our website, go to pages, and then we're going to add a new page under the not linked area. And you can call this link in bio, link tree, website, social media links, I don't know, whatever you want, doesn't really matter. Next, we're gonna add our content to the page. And I think that I wanna do like some type of background image for this one. And some of the things that I want to include are a call now button, a button that links directly to the website, a logo or brand mark from their branding package, and then probably some social media links. So I'm going to go ahead and add all those things. And while you're designing this, you want to make sure that you're thinking about mobile first, because this is probably going to be linked under Instagram or your other social media pages, and a lot of people get to this page on their mobile device. So don't worry much about the desktop version. Once we're done, it's almost ready to go, but the last thing we have to do is remove the header and footer. And you can do this by going to your page settings and then adding one of the listed codes below. Once you save it, your header and footer will be gone for this page and this page only, and the rest of your website will still contain the header and footer. The only thing left to do is copy your new website link and paste it into your Instagram bio. Okay, so that is pretty much it. It is actually not really too hard, especially when you're using Squarespace. If you guys found this helpful and you did enjoy this quick tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up or drop a comment below, and I will see you in the next video.